find out that all of this while that we're together and it seemed like we're trying to work stuff out, you were busy looking at your best friend, as per se's boyfriend in the house.
If you were man enough, maybe I wouldn't have been doing that. You should have stepped up and been a man. I wanted to use Neo to make you jealous and let you know how a man should be.
You are not a real man, Tolanibaj tells Prince, says she moved to Neo to show him how a real man should be. Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Please don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Tolanibaj threw some missiles at Prince during the Big Brother Naija lockdown reunion concerning their short-lived relationship. In a snippet of the third episode of the reunion, which will be shown next week, Tolanibaj went in on Prince after he accused her of leaving their relationship to go follow her best friend boyfriend Neo. It will be recalled that soon before she was evicted, Tolani set her eyes on Neo, though it seemed she and Prince had a thing, and at the time she was friends with V, who was Neo's girlfriend. The issue which caused the bad blood between the two ladies. Prince was explaining to Ebuka that he didn't understand how Tolanibaj was eyeing another man while it seems they were trying to work things out between themselves. But Tolanibaj responded saying she moved to Neo to make Prince jealous and to also show him how a real man should be. According to her, Prince was not man enough. In her words, she said, "If you're man enough, maybe I wouldn't have been doing that. You should have moved up and be a man," she stated. Guys, this BBnaija reunion is fire. It's so hot, man. Guys, what do you think about this? Do you actually think she did that to make Prince jealous, or she was actually into Neo for real? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. For me, I think she was actually into Neo. She's just using that to cover up that she did that for jealousy and all that. All those things are scam. Guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And also, if it's the first time of viewing, don't fail to subscribe. Hit on the notification bell to get new info whenever a new video drop. Thanks for watching and stay safe.